Do you have scrap wood laying around your house like we do? Why not make something useful out of it? Anyway, 2 minutes on the clock. Let's go. Let me show you what we did with it. So it actually built this a while back, and it was, I mean, like this is by no means some quality furniture kind of thing, but it does the job. It was a little farmhouse style. It was actually made out of 2x4's, 2x4's and 2x2's. So the 2x2's are the little cross members you see there in each one of the legs. There's another support leg back in the back, and a support leg on this end as well. So yeah, so it was all 2x4's and 2x2's, and then we used this this pressed 12-inch. It's a 3/4 inch by 12-inch with a little polyurethane spray on top. But yeah, a little L shape because she uses a sit stand on one side, files and stuff on the other side. But yeah, I want to show you all this in case this is something that you might be interested and might want to build on your own. It's actually very easy to do. It was a very simple process. Like I said, I used some scrap 2x4's. I did buy the 2x2's that are in there to make those cross members, but that is it. Here's a look at the underside just to show you what we did and how I put it together. And there you go. So like I said, actually look at that. It's faster than 2 minutes. It is going to be a 1 minute and 30-second video. Take care.